So this customer wanted to get a water softener put in, and we had some struggles figuring out which way to route this because they didn't have a loop in the garage and they have a flat roof. So we ended up having to completely redo their main water service, installed a new valve, hose bib, and a pressure vacuum breaker for the irrigation system. We created a loop right here, and instead of going through their entire yard and under their driveway and cutting out a bunch of concrete, we were able to bore underneath from here all the way into the yard. And the bore machine shot another run over to the house. Stepped up in there, accidentally messed up the stucco there. We got to patch that up, but installed a new softener, ran the drain line up and over. All pretty good install, considering no other plumbers could come up with a solution to run these water lines. But yeah, we literally ran two 90-foot runs in about 6 hours, installed a new unit, and you can't even tell we dug up the yard.